Fel eiriolydd, dwi'n meddwl bod swydd fi I gwrando I pobl, felly weithiau maen nhw'n dod I mi gyda cwyn, ac dyma'r tro cyntaf maen nhw'n rhannu'r cwyn gyda rhywun, neu maen nhw methu siarad amdano fo gyda'i teuluoedd nhw, gyda'i partner nhw, a maen nhw'n teimlo fel bod rhywun yn gwrando am y tro cyntaf weithiau.
I've dealt with complaints where people have passed away. We've gone to the organisation to investigate circumstances surrounding the death of a person. I've dealt with complaints where people have had operations that have gone wrong.
Neu, da ni ar y ffôn trwy dydd yn siarad cael trwy gyda'r doctor. Mae'n triniaeth wedi mynd yn anghywir. Felly, da ni'n delio gyda spectrwm mawr iawn o bethau.
No matter how trivial you think it is, please tell us, because it might paint or be part of a bigger picture of problems that are occurring elsewhere in your area or throughout Wales. And only by getting a true picture of even the smallest matter can we then look at trends and say, we've got a problem and we can take that forward for you as well.
So ges I rwy'n ar y ffôn diwrnod o blaen yn dweud, dys gen ti'n clem. Yr chat cyntaf ges I gyda nhw, a nath nhw dweud, dys gen ti'n clem ffaint ti di newid fy mywyd I. Dwi rwy'n gallu mynd ymlaen gyda mywyd fi yn teimlo lot sgafnach.
If you are looking for an apology, if you're looking for an explanation, if you're looking for a change so that what has happened to you doesn't happen to anybody else, that's often a very good outcome, and all that people really want is that the organisation involved has taken your complaint seriously. They've looked at it, they've dealt with it, and they've learnt lessons from what has gone wrong, and those lessons will be fed back into the system for service improvement.
Rydyn ni'n gallu helpu chi gyda'r llythyr cwyn. Da ni'n rhoi i'r bwrdd iechyd neu i'r adran cwynion yn yr local authority. Os da chi ddim yn hapus, da ni'n gallu helpu chi mynd trwy'r proses ombudsman hefyd.
We will give you as much time as we can, usually an hour and a half, 2 hours when we first meet you. And then after that, whatever time is necessary to help. If you wish to speak to a male advocate or a female advocate, or have some other requirements in terms of a disability you can't hear, you can't see, we will help you in whatever way we can and provide that for you in the language that you need as well. That could be Welsh or some other language.
Rydyn ni'n wastad yn gweithio mewn partneriaeth gyda chi, ond chi sy'n cymryd yr lead yn y partneriaeth na. Felly, dim ots pryd da chi eisiau gorffan, os da chi eisiau bod yr cwyn reit at i'r diwedd, da ni yna reit tan y diwedd gyda chi. Ond os ydych chi eisiau stopio fo'n gynt na hynny, mae'n ffain, da ni'n stopio fo pryd bynnag da chi eisiau wneud.
All the advocates working for Llais throughout Wales are employed. They're employed directly by Llais, which is independent of the NHS and social care. All advocates will be qualified either after they've joined the organisation or have their advocacy qualifications before they join the organisation.
Mae gyda ni eiriolwyr cwynion dros Cymru I gyd yn disgwyl I cymryd eich galwadau.
We will help you prepare your story in the best possible way, and we will present it in the best possible way to the organisation for them to look at. Please contact us and we will help you.
Felly, ffoniwch.